Alright, today you guys, we are going to do our eyebrows, but today we're going to use MAC Dip Down. And this is actually one of my favorite ways to do my brows. I prefer using the gel cream instead of the pencil, but the pencil is very simple as well, and I'll put a link to that easy tutorial up above. So you're going to start by using an angle brush and dip it into the dip down or the pomade, whatever you're using, and clean the sides of the brush by using the rim of the jar, and then begin to fill your eyebrows. I like to start by drawing a line underneath, then working my way up. Or you can draw a line underneath, draw a line on the top, and fill in the whole brow. But use a little amount of the product and continue to clean the brush off on the rim of the jar. Now, some people find this technique to be very hard, so they use pencil, but if you start with this technique first, then when you use the pencil is so much easier, but you will definitely love this. I try not to touch the beginning of my brows because I want to keep that natural look. You can clean your brows with your natural skin tone concealer, or you can go in with a lighter color. I like to go in with a lighter color if I know that I'm going to put on some type of eyeshadow because it will show up better. Or if you like that highlighted look of your eyebrows, then you can keep that as well. But I will suggest that on the top of your brows, you clean it with your natural skin color. And once you're done correcting, just drag that color down your eyelid. If you notice that your concealer dries very fast, then you may want to work a little faster. The beauty about brows is that it's art, and if there's something you do and it's wrong, you can always fix it. Just go back in with more of the pencil or more of the gel, pomade, and just correct it and fix it. As I said in the beginning, I'm going to use my natural skin tone concealer to clean the top of my brows. And then I'm going to take it up and just conceal like that corner side of my face so that when I apply my foundation, that area is kind of already covered. I won't mess up my brows, because some people do their brows before their foundation, some people do their brows after foundation. And if you do your brows before your foundation, use your concealer to get the areas that are hard to reach with your beauty blender or with your foundation brush. This is just extra. I'm just prepping my eyes for my eyeshadow, but you'll see that I'm going to go ahead and fill in the beginning parts of my brows so that I can take that harsh line out, because I don't like the harsh line at the beginning of my brows. I want to have a gradient, small gradient look at the beginning. Once I've removed the lines, I'll just take in a brush, an eyebrow brush, and then I'll just drag the product forward or towards the beginning of my brow and drag it up and just create a gradient look. Next, you can lay your eyebrow hairs down by using a clear eyebrow gel or the color of your natural eyebrow. Last, I'm going to set my concealer under my brows with a translucent powder, or you can do it with the foundation powder. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box. I'll also tag my eyebrow pencil tutorial as well. And this is it, you guys. This is the finished look, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.